a Corolla's Parotia. And his name's Bob. Bob is obsessed with tidiness, but it's vital housework. Female Corollas don't visit messy display courts. Every leaf must go. Perfect. And it's not just what he does, but where. Dancing under his perch is crucial, as it's from here a female will view his performance. But even the most serious dancer can tire of practicing, particularly when no one's even watching. This youngster wants to stick around and learn from an expert. But playtime's over, and not a moment too soon. A female Corolla. But she's not looking for love. She's after nest material.